What's up guys, it's Mila at WTI. I have this iPhone 13 Pro Max case by Casemate that is gorgeous. This case is great for my iPhone because I feel like it's super safe. And that's not for any reason either, because it has a 10-foot drop test. I hate to say it, but this thing does fall off my lap from time to time again. And it makes me nervous, and I'm always worried that my phone's gonna get damaged, but not when it's in a case like this. Sometimes I'll have my little magnet that I'll put on and it looks great, and sometimes I'll just have it like this. It does have a nice opening for the camera, so you have nothing that's obstructed there, and it's MagSafe. So if you're gonna be using a charger with that feature, it is built in. It's a great case. That's my point of view.